How to log in Temu account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Temu account so you can start shopping for your favorite items. If you've been wondering how to access your account, it's super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and simply go to the Temu, or you can alternatively open the Temu app on your phone as well. Now once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button. At the top right corner here, as you can see, sign in and register, simply tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number that you used when you signed up for Temu. Just go ahead and type it in and make sure it's the one linked to your account. After that, simply type in your password, and if you forgot your password, you can simply tap on forgot password. Alternatively, you can continue with Google, with Facebook, and with Apple, so that it will be easier for you to sign in. Once you've chosen what you prefer, simply tap on sign in. And once you're logged in, you can start browsing through all the amazing products Temu has to offer. And that's it. Now you know how to log into your Temu account for easy online shopping.